Okay, so today we're going to be talking about our hypothalamus and pituitary kind of regulation. So to begin, looking at this is just kind of a very good summary of our anterior pituitary hormones and what they regulate. And the word tropic basically means that they act on another hormone. So that's just important to remember that these hormones are going to all act on these ones. So as we move down here, this is just kind of another slide to show that hormones can either inhibit or activate the other hormones. So we see here how our growth hormone releasing hormone has a positive effect on growth hormone. And so that is where this condition, acromegaly or gigantism, comes in, where the growth hormone is extremely elevated, and so they grow a lot. Or we also see here where our dopamine decreases our prolactin. So that's just where it would, limit the prolactin that's being secreted. So as we move down here, this is a good slide to kind of just show short feedback versus long loop feedback. So our short loop is when there's one basically cell in the middle, and our long is two cells. So from our plasma hormone up here, there's only this one cell in the middle. So this would be short. But from down here, our plasma hormone 3, all the way up to the top, there's one cell, two cells. So that would be considered long loop.
And our long loop is when our hormone 3, which is down here, also acts on hormone 2, which can act on hormone 1. So that's the difference between our long loop and our short loop.
So just different feedback mechanisms. So as we move down here, this is just another kind of pathway example just to get used to. So this whole thing is called our endocrine signaling axis, and it's a great summary slide, and we really just want to make sure that we are aware of the hormones and kind of how they each regulate each other. So whether it's negative feedback, as that could be examples, or positive feedback with our growth hormone that we saw.
So all the examples in this video were negative feedback, but an example of positive feedback would be like childbirth, and that's where stretch receptors increase dilation and contractions, which allow for birth. So that's like a amplify kind of signal, and negative feedback returns it to its resting rate. And yeah.